Welcome. Are you looking to stop receiving notifications every time someone likes or comments on your Facebook cover photo on your PC? With Facebook's latest update, it's easier than ever to take control of your notifications and keep your feed clutter-free. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable notifications for your cover photo using the Facebook app on your computer. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. It's best to use your preferred web browser for this, like Chrome or Edge. Make sure you're already logged into the account where you want to change your notification settings. At the very top of your Facebook homepage, look for your profile photo. This is usually a small circle in the top right or center area. Go ahead and click on it. That will take you straight to your Facebook profile page. Now, on your profile, you'll see your cover photo. This is the large banner image at the top of your page, right above your profile picture and details. Click directly on your cover photo to open it in a larger view. Beneath the cover photo, you'll spot 3 dots arranged horizontally. These dots form the options menu for your photo. Click on the 3 dots to bring up a list of additional settings. From this menu, select Turn off notifications for this post. With just this one action, you'll immediately stop getting notified every time someone interacts with your cover photo. No more interruptions whenever there's a new like or comment on that image. You're in total control. And that's it. You've just disabled notifications for your cover photo in the latest Facebook update on your PC. If you ever decide to turn notifications back on, simply follow the same steps to reverse the change. Enjoy a more focused and peaceful Facebook experience. If this guide helped you, don't forget to check out more quick tutorials to get the most out of your social media. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.